Good morning, students. Today we will discuss a new topic, the Constitution of India. First, we need to know what this Constitution is. It is a book where all the basic law or principles of our country is written, where all the rights and duties of our citizens are written, and where all the system structure of the government is also mentioned. That is Constitution of India is. So basically, what is constitution? It is the established rules according to which the state is organized. It is a structure which the government is following and forming the government and organizing all the administration and everything, where all the rights and duties of citizens are mentioned. That is the constitution. It is just like your school diary where everything about your school is mentioned. It is the diary of India where everything about India is mentioned, where everything mentioned, that how the government will form, how the government will function, what are the duties of the citizen, what are the rights of the citizen, what are the laws of India. Everything is written in this book, which is the Constitution of India. It is just like your school diary. In your school diary, all the rules and regulation of your school is mentioned. In the Constitution of India, the laws are mentioned. So basically, it is a book comprised of laws, rights and duties of the citizen, and the structure in which the government will govern or follow the instructions. So let us discuss the father of the Indian Constitution. The father of the Indian Constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. In the Constituent Assembly, they decided to form a constitution, so they form a group which is known as drafting committee. These were the members of the drafting committee. They took 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to complete the constitution. And it is very important, students, that our constitution is the largest written constitution in the world, and it was written and drafted by this competent, capable people wrote our Indian constitution. But the father of Indian constitution is Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. So finally the constitution drafted was in 24 January 1950, and finally the constitution came to force in the year 26 January 1950. Now we will discuss about the preamble of the constitution. Our constitution consists of a preamble, which is the preface or the introduction of the constitution. It is not possible for each and every citizen to read the constitution. So preamble is the short synopsis of our constitution, where the features of our constitution, objectives of our constitution is mentioned. You can see the preamble in your book, in your copy, everywhere, many places you can see the preamble of the constitution. Preamble is the preface or the introduction of the constitution, which is giving a short synopsis of our constitution. Discuss about it in details in the next class. Thank you so much, students.